Let's take a quick walk around of this 1968 Buick Skylark. She's beautiful. Paint is in excellent condition. She got a set of 22-inch wheels. She got the Holley Sniper EFI system for great reliability. I have a similar system on my G-Body Buick Regal, and it's phenomenal. The way you want to go with your classic. The only classics that I automatically LS swap is the last generation B-bodies. It's period correct. To me, a classic should sound like a classic, not a souped up Silverado or nothing, but that's just my opinion. I love a big block with fuel injection. You can do multi-port or go with a system like this that's throttle body fuel injected, like I got on my big block G-body. She's beautiful, guys. She got a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC. Interior's in great shape. She got bucket seats. Back seat in excellent condition. Package tray nice and clean. Headliner good. She reached a little over 26,000. She got an aftermarket sound system. She has a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, AC, power steering. There goes the Holley Sniper EFI throttle body. She has 4 100-pound injectors in there, similar to the injectors found on modern cars, and it's all tunable. Let's start her up. If y'all want a more full detailed video, go over to Rolling Museum's YouTube channel. Visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. So what do y'all think, guys? I think she's beautiful. She sounds good. Y'all have a good one.